It's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday! I got a fourth video today. I am so excited. Look what just came. I got my Lush kitchen box for November. Check it out. I got stickers. How fun is that? I love Gary. Who's Gary? I have no idea who Gary is. It says our most exclusive box ever. I don't know what that means, but I got a list of stuff that's in the box. So we're going to check this out. Lush Kitchen is $49 a month. I actually stopped it for a while and then I re-upped because I missed it. So the first thing I got is a Peachy Rosé. This is the exclusive body lotion. So everyone in our house is always using a lot of Lush, especially in the winter months. My mother and my daughter, especially my husband too. I'm the only one that doesn't have like super dry skin, which is kind of funny. But they love their Lush. Oh, this is full on. This is full on floral. Oh my gosh, that's really rosy. Okay, that's going to my mom. She'll like the full on rosy. Okay. Next up is what is this? The Tropical Commingle. Oh, a body scrub. I love the body scrubs. That's awesome. Let me see here. Oh, this is the body scrub. It looks like it's bamboo stem extract, cypress leaf. I don't know. We're going to smell this and see what I think. Oh, it's yellow. It is yellow. Oh, it smells good though. It does. It's got kind of a citrusy scent. What is in here? I've smelled this before. It's definitely Lush. Brazil nut oil, almond oil. There's a lot of stuff going on in here. But it smells really good. Oh, I love this. I'm excited. I'm actually going to use this. I may use the Lush scrub with my chocolate body wash for philosophy. We'll mix everything up tonight, and I'll be able to share that. Okay, so I got that. What else is in here? I like the way they put the little dividers in here. Oh, did I get a lip scrub? Oh. I got the Espresso lip scrub. Where's Lenny when I need him? Oh my gosh. He would go crazy over this. He was so excited about lip scrub. He'd never seen lip scrub before. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's a coffee lip scrub. Can I be any more excited? Oh my gosh, this was worth it just for this. Oh, this smells and tastes so good. It's like a coffee sugary delight on your lips. I love their lip scrubs. These are my favorite, by the way. Okay, oh, that was worth it just for that. Then check it out. I got a passion fruit exclusive exfoliating shower gel. What the heck is in here? Let's see, passion fruit. It's fresh orange peel. All kinds of good stuff. I'm gonna smell it. And see what I think. Oh, it's leaking a little bit. That's okay. Luckily, it didn't leak out. We're all good. Oh my gosh, this literally looks like mashed up fruit. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Okay, yeah. Look at this. It's literally like mashed up fruit. I mean, this is like the most organic Lush I think I've ever seen. Oh my gosh. This smells good enough to eat. Seriously. This is just really, really delightful. Our first ever scrubby shower gel with crushed passion fruit seeds in a glycerin-rich base for soft, radiant skin. I'm mixing this with chocolate tonight. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm excited. This is a really good box. Okay, next up, what is this? We got one of the oat milk latte body scrubs. Oh yeah. Oh, this smells so good. There's some espresso in this too. Seriously. Coffee oil. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Is that everything or is there more? Seriously? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I think that's everything. And then I got the cute little stickers. That is amazing. Okay, so yeah, this was, I think, my favorite. They didn't do anything hokey this time. And they just did like really nice natural stuff. So Rose Absolute, Tagura nut powder, passion fruit seed powder, orange sugar. I don't know what that is. There's a lot of stuff in Lush. I never know what it is. Upcycled coffee grounds. Oh my gosh, there's caffeine in the lip scrub. Oh my gosh. Just caffeinate your lips, you guys. Oh, I can't believe how good this smells. This is amazing. So, body scrub. Yeah. Hop into the shower and get scrubbing, slough off dead skin, moisture, and get a good old hit of caffeine. Oh yeah. I can't stop smelling this. That's really, really good. Okay. I'm gonna smell everything one more time because oh yeah, they did a really good job this month. Okay, yay Lush Kitchen. I'm just gonna eat the lip scrub. And then this was a nice delight too. The only thing I don't like, I gotta say, is the Peachy Rosé. I don't smell any peach. This is all just rose. This smells like Valentine's Day, fresh roses. Anyway, yay Lush! Oh my gosh, this was an awesome box. I'm glad I did this tonight. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.